Alright folks, who can tell me, will the real mighty cow please stand up? Where are you, I am? Look! We already had a rage quit.
Alright, let's go.
What's this strategy?
Making your way over. I still need one more for back cabs.
I think we're okay. We'll holler if we need help.
We'll do 5 for now if you need help.
I think I have 6.
They're not all.
There's actually 7 of us back here right now.
Anyone else lagging?
Oh no, I'm not.
Yeah. No, you are the only person in the entire game lagging in this massive 30 on 30 fight. Nobody else.
Yeah.
I'm lagging.
Goes on out.
I'm trying to find this ice cave to get my trinket.
On the,
Stay to the right.
Where are you looking?
you got some smoking. Kill this druid in the corner.
It's way back by the starter cave.
Fear and druid. It's got full rock.
I told him where
Yeah,
to
I'm
go.
following. Yeah, I'm following these directions.
Yeah, just stay all the way to the right when you go in.
It's weird, it's not showing down.
You don't want to pull that Yeti.
You took me out.
Galv's about 30%, he's fine.
Okay, and we had none come through here.
They all are
None.
here. This is like a full
They are. Okay,
They're all here.
let's get 3 who went on back cap to go ahead with the main group.
still fighting it.
We'll keep 4 back here. Yep, go into Gals and help.
We gotta get up to the main show. As soon as they die, get up to the main show. Spent a lot of time fighting.
You've had one warrior make it through.
More are gonna come. We gotta go.
Here they come.
Really,
Or some.
we gotta hurry. Hurry. Get out of Gal, go to main show.